Pretty little black skin girl. Me want on you in a wifey. Pretty little diamond ring. Boy, Caribbean beauty.
Hi guys, hello, hola, bonjour, it's your girl Curvy Miller and I'm back with another video, and this is me doing the removable quick weave with a frontal using bonding glue, which you guys will see how I done it, so stay tuned and let's get into it real quick. So first of all, I had my stocking cap on my head, then I got a see-through or just any shower cap. Then you want to get a dome spandex cap. The shower cap is there so the bonding glue does not go onto your real hair. So what I started doing first is lining up my frontal to make sure I'm going to place it properly. So I then used a brown eyeliner. You can use a white one or whatever colour you have to basically fold the frontal in half, and I mark it in the middle so I can get exactly where I want it to be. But I had to discard the whole thing because I've used this frontal before and yeah, I didn't use it in the middle. So anyway, so I'm going to use my pencil to mark on the cap, so when I go to glue it now it's a lot more easier, and I'm going to use it as my guide to make sure that bad boy is stuck in the right place and it's not hanging off my head. I use a 30-second wig glue. You can use any bonding glue. So as you can see, I'm basically applying bonding glue onto that thick bit of frontal and not on the lace. So guys, the rest is basically self-explanatory. If you do have any questions, please just leave them down below and I'll answer every single question. And then use the blow dryer to make sure it is secure. And yeah, that's it. Each track I basically measured it at the back from one ear to the other or up until the frontal, cut off the excess, add bonding glue, stuck it to the back of my head and used my blow dryer to make sure it was stuck to that goddamn wig cap. I carried on doing that, going all the way up, as you'll see in the video. Oh my god, I forgot to mention something. So when you apply the frontal to the front of your head, top of the wig cap, whatever you want to call it, you want to make sure that frontal is slightly forward. You do not want it to be in line with the wig cap, because when you put it on, it's not going to fit your hair properly, I promise you. So you want to put the frontal slightly forward, like half an inch, about an inch forward, so when you do go to attach it to your head, it will fit you perfectly. And yeah, that's it. So when you get to the top, you want to follow it going round and round in a circle. It is from a company called NEWSTAR. I've actually had this hair for about 3 to 4 years, and it was bleached, then it was dyed purple, so then I dyed it black, and I will link it down below. Their hair is really, really good. And the frontal is from another company of Amazon. I can't say the name, so I'm not even going to try it, but I will make sure I link everything down below for you guys if you do want to try the companies. I definitely recommend both of them, otherwise I wouldn't even bother tell you and waste my time, because it's not benefiting me. Guys, while you're here, just press the subscribe button, please press the bell and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and all that stuff.
Glue, ooh, I see a bunny glue, ooh, I see a bunny glue, ooh, I see a bunny glue, peace, glue, hey, put on that lace, bitch, you gotta put on that lace, you gotta put on that other business, put on that lace, ooh. Put on that lace, ho. Ooh. Put on a lace.
Ooh.
Put on a lace.
Ooh.
Peekaboo. Bun and glue, I see you. Peekaboo. Bun and glue, I see you. Bun and glue, I see you. Bun and
if you can, try and get yourself an assistant, especially one with some pretty nails, to help you do this last bit. Try not to spray the spray in their eyes because it will blind them. Yeah, that's it. Blow dry it also at the end, which I didn't do. It will make it hold a lot quicker, even though it's blasting free spray will hold anyway, but use the blow dryer for quicker and faster process.